How to behave with parents. How to behave with parents. If it's not against what Allah said, then do whatever they say. Do whatever they say. Don't do what they stop you from. Don't do what they stop you from. Be very kind and humble to them. Be very kind and humble to them. Smile to them for getting the reward for a Hajj. Smile to them for getting the reward for a Hajj. Often ask them, do you want anything? Often ask them, do you want anything? Always serve and help them. Always serve and help them. Do not say oof at any time or answer them back when scolded. Do not say oof at any time or answer them back when scolded. Do dua for them. Do dua for them. رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا. رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا. Lower your gaze when they warn you. Lower your gaze when they warn you. Do not stamp your feet and run away. Do not stamp your feet and run away.